Victor Kilo 3 HK, you are 3 CTB. Okay, hello Steve, good evening. Maybe do you recognize me? My name is Seth, Sugar Echo Radio Golf Echo, United Radio 3, Charlie Tango Bravo. A beautiful signal today, 5 by 9, 59. How copy, Steve in Melbourne? Back to you, over.
Okay, I never heard of you. I never heard of you. Sergey, I have never heard you so strong. You are really very, very strong tonight. Almost strength 9, nearly strength 9. Very, very strong signal. Quite honestly, I did not recognize your voice. It is so different hearing you with such a strong signal. Over.
Okay, Steve, okay, yes, copy, thanks for your comments, thanks for the nice report from Mabel. Yes, I'm running my homebrew power amplifier, so 500 whiskey output, I think so. I tune it off and switch off to prepare for you for this QSO, my power amplifier, Steve. Okay, also big signal, pleasure to talk with you, seems other guys shall talk with you, so very, very glad to meet you again, my friend. So best wishes, don't hold you. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to Melbourne, Australia, and all the best. See you on 10 meter. Back to you to the final. Victor Kilo 2, Hotel Kilo, your 3 CTB, over.
Okay, Sergey, fine. Tell me, what is the temperature? What is the temperature at your QTH, over?
Okay, Steve, QSL, yes, today we had some warm, minus 10. Before 2 days we had a minus 15, so today so much better, minus 10, so not very cold, high, or.
Okay, not very cold. Oh boy. Today in Melbourne was plus 30, plus 30 degrees. Tomorrow plus 40 degrees. Oh dear. Maybe we have some of your warmth, I think. Oh dear. Your linear is working very well, Sergey. Very well indeed. It really is working well. Ah dear. Before you go, tell me the length of the boom on your antenna. What is the length of the boom on your antenna? Over.
Okay, Steve, QSL, yes. Thanks for the weather information. 30 degrees today, and tomorrow you wait for 40 degrees. So amazing signal. In the summer we had not ever 40 degrees. Maximum temperature 35, 37, that in the summer. So very, very nice weather, congratulations. Really summer in Sydney, Australia. Okay, I sent a link about my antenna design project to your email, so because it's very difficult to say, it's a project of English ham station, Germany 0 Kilo Sierra Charlie. So if you don't mind, I'll send you a link on this project antenna to your email. Victor Kilo 3 Hotel Kilo, you are 3 CTB, over.
Okay, fine, Sergey. Okay, one point, I am in Melbourne, not Sydney. Okay, Melbourne is about 900 kilometers. About 900 kilometers south of Sydney. Okay. All right, Sergey. See you later. I'll speak with you one other evening, or maybe one other afternoon. Who knows? Now I think I have a shower and go to bed. It's getting a little bit late. So thank you very much for coming back to my call. United Romeo 3, Charlie Tango Bravo. There is VK 3HK.
Okay, Steve, 100% copy, Victor Kilo 3 Hotel Kilo, yes, sorry about mistakes. Yes, you are in Melbourne. I'm looking on my map, on my computer and some look on my eyes to the Sydney, so I spelled that. So yes, of course, you are in the Melbourne, Australia. Okay, Steve, so best wishes, thanks for the nice talking, and appreciate it that you give me your time before you go to bed, to sleep. So best wishes, have a nice dream, and see you on 10, VK2HK, US3 CTB, over.
Okay, so 7-3, all the very best. I take a listen for maybe some other stations, and then I must QRT. See you later, Sergey. It's Sergey. Oh dear, I have trouble with your name. It's silly. Okay, see you later. Anyway, this is VK3HK.
Bye bye, thanks for your Australia, all the best.